Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python casting. So let's see what is it. Specify a variable type. It will help you to specify the variable type of the Python. Okay, there may be times when you want to specify a type of variable. So this can be done with the help of casting. Okay, so what happens? In that case, when you need to specify a particular variable, Python is an object-oriented language. So in that case, you should know what kind of data type or what kind of variable that is available. So in that case, in such cases, what happens? It uses the class to define the data types and including its primitive type. Okay, so that's how it can be used. So casting in a Python is done with the help of using the data types. Okay. So here I will take one note, that is these are the different kind of variables that are available. We use the constructor function here. So for using the constructor functions, these are three kinds of constructor functions that are required. So int of, float of, and string of. So it will define the three different kind of variables that are available here. Int of will define the integer literal that will help you to remove all the decimals. Okay, and float of will define the decimals. So let me do one example here. By using the int of, now on screen you can see that I have used int of equal to number 2. So it removed the 8.9 and it give you only 8. Why? Because it will remove all the decimal number as I mentioned. So this is the example of int of method. It will make any number into the form of integer, not it will remove all the numbers that is available after the decimal. The second one, we are having the float of. So it will make any number into the float, that is in the form of decimal. So if you are having the normal number that is 1, so it will write as a 1.0. 0 is, there is no meaning of writing 0 after the point. So it will normally provide that. String, so it will provide you any number into the string. So in that case, what is happening? It will write the same number as it is required. So constructor strings would valid wide variety of data type, including strings, integer, literal, float, literal. It will provide all kinds of numbers. So there will be no changes in that. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.